Hey, welcome back. So I got the Beamer booked in for a morning session at Queensland Raceway in 2 days. I still got a lot of loose ends to tie up. All right, so this is one of the things I want to sort out before I go, and that's the intake. I know it's not going to harm it like that, but I'd rather have a proper cold air system. Because this being here, this was just temporary to get the car going, but this is just going to collect hot air from the engine bay. So I need to try and divert it down out of the way. To hopefully rectify this, I got these. A couple of corners and some few joiners should hopefully get me by. So the plan is somehow make it come out here and then tuck down around near the front bumper there, sort of still away from the front tyre, but down low enough to collect a bit of cold air. Right, so this here is where the front assembly bolts on. So the headlights stick a fair way in. But then beyond that is a bit of a cavity where the bumper is. So I'm just going to grab those pieces and just see how they line up. So yeah, hitting the expansion tank there, so we'll have to keep it on a bit of an angle that way, I think. And then we want this other one somehow so that hits the guard. So I think it's time to hack this out because I don't care for this that much, and then see where I can line it up. Hacked my guard out now because I don't give a damn, and then I've just turned the wheel full lock, so I know how much clearance I've got from that. If the suspension goes up, it'll come a bit closer too, but I'll just make sure I've got enough. So now I'll just put the sort of piping together, and ideally I want it to come around here, and then I can clamp it off the threads here and just have it hanging out that way here somewhere. But I'll just fit it all up and see what it looks like. Just put a thin bit of rubber grease on the inside just to make it easy to get on, because it's pretty tight usually otherwise, these things. And that way I can twist it pretty easy to see where I want it to be. And this one on here. Shush! Alright, I'll just sit that there for now. Still hitting a few things, but I'll put the front section on and see how much it clears it all. Alright, this seems pretty good. I just need to guide it this way a little bit, away from the tyre. So if I can fasten it as close to the front without rubbing on anything, that looks like that will be ideal. Still a bit close though. I wonder if I can fasten it to that. That would probably be ideal. Looks like I might just have to twist this a little bit, so we'll try that. We'll try this. There we go with this setup. Alright, that looks pretty good there. Make sure everything fits. There you go, not too bad. Clears everything. That should keep us out of trouble. The only problem I got now is because I've cut this guard so that it flexes a bit. But I'd rather the filter touch there than the tyre. I might just run a tech screw in there just to keep it from pivoting anymore. And I'll just chuck the bumper on as well and make sure it doesn't hit anything on there. Alright, there we go. Still clears everything. Happy days. good. Fits pretty nicely in there now. Clears everything, and there's still enough room to wobble around a bit. And it just tucks it up under the bumper there now, which is pretty sweet. We'll pick up nice cold air. Well, more cold than being in the engine bay. All right, so that's that sorted. Happy days. Hope you enjoyed this. If you want to see more of my stuff, just hit subscribe. If you actually liked it, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next one.